You know where I'm standing? In Magrudi's in Alwada Mall, Abu Dhabi. Okay, this from the first floor it has been relocated to the ground floor next to Costa Coffee, adjacent to Shuma. So today is their what do you say? Reopening or relocation. We have fabulous offers there. So Dula will be just taking over a few minutes, and then I'll be going around the shop for you. Yeah, Dula. Please tell some words. What are the offers today?
Yeah, you can come here to shopping, and we have good offers today. For first 41 customers, we have some vouchers, 15% vouchers. They can use me daily.
Okay.
So,
apart from that, you have some 50% off return on the items, right?
yeah,
That
plus
was a
golden
surprise.
ticket. Yeah.
Fine. So I'm going to go for that. Are you all ready? So, and then what? Tell me more about the shop. It's a mall timings only.
Yes.
10 a.m.
Yeah. 10 weekdays 10 to 10, and weekends 10 to 11.
10 to 11.
Yeah.
Fine. That is, you mean Friday and Saturday?
No, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That day. Okay then. Let's join there and join your team. So here we both. Can you explain only the front parts and take over the books part, because that is my love.
Yeah. This is hay. This is wooden toys.
Okay.
It's good for children.
Just a volume more. If not like me. Yeah, you can put over my mic. So
Yeah.
without mic, my voice comes out. Yeah, tell her.
This is for children.
Okay.
Toys. This is hay, but it's wooden. It's
Wooden board.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one also Millicent dogs. It's best for children.
Okay.
And
Which age group?
this one, there is, you can see
Toddlers.
the age. Yeah, like
Fine.
this is 4 to 10. You can see everything here, like 3 plus.
Okay.
So you can go there, the check.
Yeah. This is all diaries, right?
This is
Organized.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay.
And here's
Art items. This is for the crafts, right? Roasted red.
most customers coming for this. It's best quality.
Okay, fine. Okay. What do they normally do with this?
This is for your rugs. You can put your mugs.
Oh, it's like that.
Yeah.
Fine. And these are all painting items.
Fragrance.
Fragrance.
Candles, yeah.
Okay.
Some soft toys here.
Fine. Okay, Dula, let me take over from here. Okay, and then I'll come back to your staff
Yeah.
and kindly introduce the staff. Then I'll take a round on the shop.
Okay.
Please come.
Hi, she's Stella.
Hello, Stella.
Hi.
We are not new, right? Before all this, Magrudi's new outlet, and I'm shooting this shop. I'm a regular customer here, and good quality service and customer service at the best. Thanks for all that.
It's a pleasure to see you.
And you deal a kid like a kid, and a grown-up kid like me as a grown-up kid. So that's on behalf of Priya's Literary Aspirations. I'm with the Magrudi's team at Alwada Mall. They have relocated from the first floor to the ground floor next to Costa Coffee, adjacent to Shoe Mart. Please come today. There are very good offers on the opening ceremony. Then you can introduce your name.
I'm Jen.
Jane. And yourself is? Dula. So Dula, Stella and Jane, all the three will be here for you. And now I'm going to take a round of the shop.
We are waiting
sure.
for you.
Thank you so much.
We have
Thank
discount today, 15% all items, so come and buy.
Yeah, if you leave me, I will stay here permanent. I'll sit with the book. Of course, we are missing Jericho in charge of marketing. Okay, so he started and then he left. You could have seen in the photo. Thank you so much for your time. Then here we have the all the calculators as such, and here you saw the games. Then here you got all the organizers, and these are all the pencil picks, I suppose. No, these are all the bookmarks at both the ends. No? And these are all something, it's smelling sweet for me. Okay, I love this peacock one. Very nice. It's scented candles, fragrance diffuser. Okay. And you have a Yankee candle over here. You have a photo frames. Let me move this side and You've got a crochet kit here, okay? And then this is for my sweethearts, no? Water bottles for the Ina Meena Tikas. This is very nice. Then we shall finish the accessories part before we are going to the reading part. And here we have all the tiny tot organizers for you. So the books and the small diaries, the farewell party, you know, for the friends we cry and we take an autograph. And this is unicorn for you. So many children's collections with lovely offers. And here you have got your feelings can be conveyed, no? Heart to heart. These are all some cards for you. So, amazing brother. I think I've got so many brothers. This is all for you. E-dedication. Of course, dad. No way, he's the best dad for me. And mom, because I will lose so many credits if I'm not picking a mom here. Let me see, mom is there. Daughter, of course, that my father and mother should tell. So, sister and my brothers will tell. So many pics are there for you. Okay, oh, boyfriend. That's great. That's how it goes. Okay. I'm trying to go for a mother. Any pic here? Parent is there, of course. I can dedicate to both of them. Let me pick a mother for you. I'll just, because it's hard to find cards and Magrudis. That is also here now. Sister is here. Okay, mom is present everywhere. Without mom, these are all not there. So we shall go to the next part of the accessories, which are bags. Okay. So what is the hidden gift is, see here, this is golden price, 50 dirhams. So you have to come and you have to invent inside the shop. It is like hide and seek. You can find wonderful offers like this on the discount, and for this brand of Jansport, 50 dirhams is a great price. So do come and visit Magrudi's, the ground floor of Al Wada Mall, Abu Dhabi, next to Costa Cafe, adjacent to Shoemart, or opposite to Rivoli. So I'm moving forward here. These are all the coloring accessories with the stickers, and this is one of my favorite, you know, and all the small tiny things. You have the paint brushes here, you have the markers here, and what not. You have the art displays. This is my section. Basically, you have got the frames here. Okay, so it's very beautiful, and this Magrudi's knows no introduction. Just the relocation part I'm shooting today, and I'm missing Jericho from the marketing team. So come this side and let us go for the slip pads and stickers. This is all kids collections, baby photos, and then these are all the notebooks. This is very sweet, no? Open and close. And we have an address book. Okay, so please train today's children to use the notebooks and read books to shun the device addiction. That's why I visit Magrudi's frequent, along with my daughter and son. Of course, he is behind the camera. And thank you, Akash, for that. And this is your subject notebook, all the notebook varieties with the hardcover. You have this is the printing sheets, no? The quality ones with the paper, with the frame. This is here, and here we have all the markers for you, and then all the painting items, acrylic colors, so many of them are here. So, there are pens. Now let me move to my favorite item of books, right? That is why I'm here. That is why you are all watching. Please come. These are all the teach children to save both love, relationships, time, money also. So many collections are here, wonderful for the cutie ones. And this is a drawing notebook. Fine coloring, right, for the tiny ones. So then these are all the pencil cases, and this is so lovely, no? My daughter loves this. You can lock and you can keep a secret of this. Mama, I'm angry with you. You did not treat me right, or you're so good, and you can leave it on that table. Small, small recognitions, right? So sweet this is. These are all rubbers, I think. Okay, scented ones. Now I go to the books. First, we start with the activity books. Okay, lot of puzzles are there, lot of books, and here is my favorite general knowledge collection, Brain Quest. It is there, and we have lot of assortment of children's books here. Do come and visit, and please contact Stella, and two more names were there. So Jane and the one I introduced, and please have a chat with them. We see many regular customers here. Jane, okay. Now come here. Here we have the king of jungle, okay, the lion, for protection. And here you have a bird atlas. So many collections are there. Come and spend time. Even if you buy a book for 5 dirhams, the knowledge you get out of visiting bookshops is more. So that is the need of the hour. So books are very good friends. As a vivid reader myself, and I have titled Priya's Literary Aspirations as reading is the rhythmic process of mental energy from my Guru Sri Karma Yogi. So read lot of books, connect with the knowledge, connect with authors instead of connecting with devices and unwanted etchings. So this is a lesson for my son too. And this is your Plane Sphere and Star Finder. This is the Picturepedia. It is an encyclopedia of pictures. You have the pictures and the definitions underneath. So if you open it, you'll be able to see this. See here. So many details are here, okay, underneath this. So you can have a look at this. Good price too. For knowing the price, you have to visit in person. And these are all my favorite titles. Science is not an option. This is a very beautiful book according to me, because it makes you think, stand up, speak out, and be the difference. Okay, so this makes you speak on what it is inside, right? And this is unlocking the universe, so many things. This is the parts of the human body, and the catch is it is like a human body atlas. So it has so many definitions of, I think it's a nervous system, cardiovascular system. Fine, heart is so great, right? Keep it in your hearts. Thanks for that. So many things are here. And here you have so many lung system and chest and back. So many detailing are there. So please spend in these items instead of devices and all other boxes. Okay, please. Okay, this is one thing. This is human anatomy. It is under the section of human anatomy. Then you have about the animals. Here you have the teenage fiction. With this, I'm signing off in the live video. I will post a detailed video on each section of books in Priya's Literary Aspirations YouTube channel. Do subscribe that, and kindly visit Magrudi's in the ground floor next to Costa Cafe, adjacent to our two shops are here. One is the Shoe Mart, okay. Other is the Costa Cafe. It is in the middle, in the ground floor. Very serene environment. Do check in for the offers. I will, before I end the live, I show the bag, no, like that. There are price tags, surprise price tags in each and every item hidden inside the shop. Do come visit. This is Priya Mahesh signing off for you from Magrudi's Alvada Mall ground floor. Thank you so much for watching. Mohammed, how are you?
Hello, I'm good.
Can you increase your sound and introduce yourself? I'll give my mic to you so that you sound good.
You sound good.
Yeah, please have it. If you want, you can pin it in your shirt. And you're from which part of the country, world? Which country you are?
Egypt.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Land of pyramids.
Yeah.
Okay. Then kindly introduce your Mahmoud full name.
Mahmoud Ahmed Mohammed Hussein.
That's great. And you're available in Magrudis here, right?
Yeah.
So blessed to work with books.
Work of books here.
Tell me something about this new shop and how do you were all working very hard, right?
Yeah, I am helping all the teams
Okay.
and put the book Arabic.
Okay.
Okay. And put book English.
Okay.
And uniform.
Okay. Who's your favorite author?
All accessories.
Who's your favorite author?
Yeah.
You have an Arabic author also, you can tell the
I
name.
have Arabic here.
Please tell the name.
Mahmoud Ahmed Mohammed Hussein.
Oh, great. Okay. And can you explain Arabic books to us?
Yeah.
Please come. Where it is actually? Here, right? Yeah, you can start.
This Arabic fiction.
Okay.
Okay. This.
Okay.
Okay. And this Arabic fiction also.
Okay.
All Arabic fiction.
Fine.
Okay. And here Arabic fiction.
Fine.
Okay. And here Arabic fiction.
On what it is based?
All Arabic fiction.
Fiction only.
Fiction
Okay.
only. Yeah.
Okay.
This.
Right.
Okay. And this also fiction.
Fiction. Okay.
Okay. And this priority.
Okay.
Okay.
Come again. What is
Yeah.
that?
Priority.
Okay.
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 Here.
Oh, fine.
Okay. And here, mind and body and spirit.
Mind, body, and spirit.
Yeah.
That's great.
Okay.
It's spirituality.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 And here dictionary.
Dictionary.
Yeah.
Arabic
And,
dictionary.
Yeah.
Okay.
And general knowledge.
Oh, great. General knowledge.
Okay.
You have a dictionary translation from Arabic to English?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, great. Can you show me one book on that?
Okay. Arabic English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No problem. I think it will be in the dictionary section.
Dictionary section. Here.
It's okay. Okay.
Here.
Ah, fine.
Fiction.
Great. Okay. Translated
Translate
fiction.
in.
Okay. Okay.
This. Jean Dost.
Okay.
This also.
Fine.
Kupani.
Okay.
This name of book.
Okay.
Okay. And Jojo Moyes.
Jojo Moyes.
Yeah.
My favorite author. One of my favorite author. Of course, Gary Jacobs is my favorite author, a management guru.
All this translate out.
Oh, great. Okay.
All this.
Fine. And this is all in English titles, right?
Yeah, yeah. And
Yeah.
in this seller also.
Yeah.
Arabic.
Yeah.
I have.
For children, can you show me? Because they only need of the hour is reading. Yeah.
This also translation Arabic.
Oh, fine.
Okay.
This is our Tony Robbins, right?
Yes.
Money. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, Jay Shetty.
He
Right.
spoke English.
Oh, Think Like a Monk.
Okay.
Fine.
Think like a monk.
Just a minute I went to Tony. Yeah. Fine. I've read this title.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And no children's books on Arabic?
Hmm?
Children's books on Arabic you have?
This all bestseller Arabic.
Fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Bestseller. Okay.
Okay.
This.
Oh, you have a
Arabic.
secret translation also.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Oh, please show this.
Okay.
It's a wonderful book. The Secret is translated in Arabic. Okay.
And this also.
Fine. Okay. Great.
Translation.
Okay.
Okay. And this also translation.
Fine.
Okay.
I got it.
And this also.
Okay. Thank you, Mahmoud, for your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
On behalf of Priya's Literary Aspirations, I'm shooting Magrudis for that relocation of the shop in Alwada Mall from the first floor to the ground floor. Here I am with the section on bestsellers. You can find a series of videos part by part into my YouTube channel, Priya's Literary Aspirations. Do subscribe to that channel. And this is A Silent Death by Peter May, Lucinda for you. These are all the bestsellers on the ramp now. Peter Robinson, American Dirt. What is there in that? It's by John Cummins. And then The Darkest Evening, Anne Cleves is one of my best picks. And you have Ellie Griffith on Postscript Murders. It's a good crime. And Emma Donoghue, Forgive Me for What? Susan Lewis. And you have Santa Montefiore, Here and Now, The Dream Daughter. The version of us, it's quite interesting, isn't it? It's a best read. Then This Is How. Then Night Music. Jojo Moyes is one of my favorite authors. You have Single Thread. So many best titles. I'll take a look. So it's better you come here and sit and forget yourself with the books instead of forgetting ourselves with the devices. Lee Child is another pick from me. Fair Warning, right? We too get it right. And Jay Shetty, Think Like a Monk is another challenging title. Then we have A Promised Land by Barack Obama. Jim Collins, another favorite author, Turning Your Business into an Enduring Great Company. Jim Collins will be full of practicalities than theory. Do give a try. Think Again, Stronger Than You Think. So many titles. You have Stillness Is the Key. This is a must-needed book for me. Then Robin Sharma, you have Jack Canfield. Okay. The Good News of the Future, Charm of the Machine, Cube the Puzzle. So many things with me. Here we move to mind, body and spirit, right? So bestsellers is over. So mind, body and spirit and bestseller will come together. Heal is one good thing. I'm looking for one more favorite title. I'm not finding it. So each and every rack contains a treasure of knowledge. You have a Hyper Focus. You have The Journey. Okay. All the stock market. Keep Calm. You're only 50. 50 only all the doggies start, right? Then here is my row. Okay, let me finish with mind, body and spirit. Then I will come to business and management. The rules of life. Let us leave it into mother's hands. You have Superminds. You have The Art of Nutritioning. You have Ikigai. Ikigai is a wonderful Ken Mugi. That is another challenging title. Being a Happy Teen. Be sincere to your aspirations. That is the key. The Magic of Dogs. Of course, they are very, what to tell? They are real and sincere. Faithfulness is their base, no? Better Than Humans. And Now or Never. You have Flourish. You have The Popularity of Illusion. Okay. Let us complete in this video language also. Okay. You have Oxford, Thesaurus, Spanish Dictionary. All types of dictionary are here. You have a children's thesaurus as such. Then you have The Guilty Feminist. Definitely I'm not so into that topic. So every title has a different type of collection here. To visit them. This is my area, business management. Okay. Leadership. You have to live by example and lead by example makes you a good leader. So many titles are here. Tim Cook is another pick. And I wish to see my mentor Gary's Vital Difference, Vital Corporation, and the book also on the racks here. You have Successful Recruitment. Let me see and what is in it. You have so many titles. How will you measure your life? Through devotion, sincerity, freshness, cheerfulness, aspiration, whatnot. Chase your dreams. So Good to Great by Jim Collins is another favorite pick of mine. You can find it in my bookshelves. A very good book. I'm just searching Brian Tracy and Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins is here for you. Money, much needed. I think that side you will have the popular science. Okay. Management is limited here because they have just relocated. So we'll move to fiction. You have Why Did You Tell? You have Camilla. You have The Chain. So Don Brown is another favorite pick of mine in fiction. Jeffrey Archer again. Elevator Pitch. Then Lee Child, The Enemy. The Power of Dog. I know that better. Turn the Key is Ruth Ware is another pick. Shadow of the Night. You have Casual Vacancy, that's also a good pick. Hilary Mantel, The Mirror and the Light is again another pick. Anything for Her. I think there are people for me. Thank you for that. Then so we have the classics, the movie titles. Fine. One more fiction this way. The most run we ever had, the most fun, the COVID pandemic, of course. This is again, you have Jojo Moyes here. Then you have The Stolen Marriage, Living the Dream. Paul Coelho is another favorite title. Adultery, fine. The author is favorite but not the title for me. Okay. Old Baggage, Shunnit, fine. Then we have the Arabic picks here from outside the shop. It's constructed very beautifully. So here you have set the new arrival section, fine. So many favorite titles are Turn a Blind Eye by Jeffrey Arthur is another challenging book. John Grisham, The Guardians also. The Republic of False and Truths, The End of Men. Definitely without them we are nothing. So Hearts 2. Hopes is another good attractive title. Betrayals by Bridget Collins. Archer, another title. Author of The Alchemist, this is a good title for people who want suspense. The Therapist is Crime. Women and Leadership, right. Compensated from Men, right. Surrounded by Psychopaths is not my then surrounded by idiots, we all are. We do one. And how to work. Then you have what happened to you. You have the code breaker. Healing is the new high. Trust exercise. Cattle upside down. Genius makers. Lift off. Screen time. We have Victoria Wood. We have James Comey. So many. These are all letters to Commando also. My favorite pick. Okay. So if I shoot in full, that will not make sense because you too have to come and visit yourself. This is what is here. Okay, so here is Magrudy's.